guys, how's it going? Welcome. It's Puppet Nash here, and we are with... Nice! You?
Taylor.
Kaylee.
Jennifer. Your boy Charles.
And your boy Charles! Thank you guys, you guys are so amazing. I love the new shirts.
Yeah, got the new merch.
Yeah!
Okay, now you gotta get the new merch.
That's right. So I have a couple of questions for you guys, and well, just one question really, and it's for all four of you guys. So technically, it's all four questions. What is your favorite product by Mountaineer brand?
I like the insect repellent because it stops the bugs from bugging.
Damn! Where do we got that from? All right, and you?
The apple cider vinegar rinse because I've had a problem with acne in the past, and ever since I've been using it, it's helped me a lot.
I'm so glad. Thank you. That's amazing. That helped me too. Man, you called me piece of face last time.
I like the before and after shave. Makes
Nice.
my legs soft.
Nice. Man, that's awesome. It keeps my back and my head soft. You?
I like the lip balm.
The lip balm.
Keeps
Yes.
your lips soft.
Good. I'm so happy. That's amazing, you guys. I'm so glad. I can help you guys with my awesome discount code if you want.
Nah.
What? We can use my dad's.
What? Your dad's?
Hook up all cats.
Oh, yeah. Wow, that's awesome. Guys, thank you so much. Make sure you guys use that awesome discount code. And, well, see you guys! Yeah!